Okay, so example 2 on that worksheet is about the midpoint formula. So with the midpoint formula, you're talking about water flowing into a tank. Where T is hours and RT is the rate the water's flowing in gallons per hour. Okay, so they give you this table. They want you to figure out what the value is you're estimating from 0 to 12 RT dt. Okay, so midpoint is a rectangle still, but instead of using the left corner for the height or the right corner, like a left or right Riemann sum, you're using the middle point of the rectangle. So what they do is they want you to do 3 sub-intervals. So if you go from 0 to 4, 4 to 8, to 8 to 12, there's 3. And you're going to focus on the midpoint of each one. So the middle of each one to give you your height. Okay, so you're going to have your width of your rectangle. So it's like we always do with left and right. So you're going to do 4 minus 0. So the height of this rectangle, though, you're going to pay attention to the middle point. So 13.4 plus, okay, to find your next rectangle, you do 8 minus 4, then times 14.3, and then do 12 minus 8 times 14.8. You calculate that up, you get 170 gallons. So the answer to their question, it's approximately 170 gallons of water flowed into the tank between time t equals 0 and t equals 12 hours. Okay? If they said do left or right, you would use the corresponding numbers. Okay? So for example 3, back to trapezoid rule, they give you this table and it's talking about the temperature of soup within so many minutes. So they want you to figure out what this means, what the answer is. What is the answer for this integral, and then what does it mean? So they give you 1 over 12, 0 to 12, t of x dx. So you have your 1 over 12, so they're taking an average because they have that average value number in the front, okay? And then you're going to do trapezoid rule. So you've got 1/2 from 4 to 0, and then you're going to add the two y values together. So 108 plus 101, then you have plus 1/2, 7 minus 4, add their two bases together, and then do 1/2, 12 minus 7, add their two bases together, you end up getting 100.25. So since it's an average over a time span, it's saying this is the average temperature of the soup over 12 minutes. Okay, so it's in Fahrenheit, so you would say is 100.25 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, and so that's about as complicated as the trapezoid or midpoint rule gets.